Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing great and safe at your places. I am Divisha Garg, Assistant Professor at Baba Farid College of Engineering and Technology, abbreviated as BFCET Bathinda. BFCET is the personification of innovative learning and development in the areas of science and technology. Department of Computer Science and Engineering believes in creating new knowledge with research and programming to lay strong academic foundation of students and to make them industry ready. It gives opportunities to students to work on their innovative ideas. One such idea is presented in this video by our students Devanshu and Parul from BTech 6th semester. Please have a look.
Hello everyone, I am Devanshu from Baba Farid College of Engineering and Technology, currently pursuing BTech in Computer Science 6th semester. Today I want to showcase my live project which I have built recently with my teammate Parul Sharma. So what this project is all about? In this project we aim to build a website which is an online marketplace for local services such as repair and maintenance services, home cleaning services, home decor, gardening services, etc. So what this website actually does is it matches the customer requirements with the professional who can fulfill their needs. This single website is an elegant solution by providing you the services which we need in our daily lives. And these services are divided into 5 major categories: home, health, events, lessons, and some personal services as well. So let's see how all this project works. Any user visiting our website will be greeted with a registration choice. He can be an existing user, so he can log in. If he or she is the new user, then user can sign up. Or if he or she wants to work with us as a professional, then there's a choice for that as well. Let's say we are an existing user and let's log in into our account. So after a user is authenticated, he will be redirected to the home page from where he can choose whatever the service he needs and then hire the professionals accordingly. So let's assume a user wants home cleaning services, so he clicks on household cleaning. After that, he'll be redirected to this beautiful form in which he can specify some requirements such as type of cleaning, type of service, how many rooms he wants to be cleaned, and the type of room. After making some selections, user clicks on the book now button and then the payment screen will appear with the total bill of the user. As soon as we click on pay now button, we can proceed with the payment details such as address, name, and credit card info. After a successful payment, user gets a pop-up saying payment successful and he'll be redirected to the home page. In the end, I want to thank my mentor Divisha ma'am who guided us at each step of this project, and our HOD of CSA department Nimisha ma'am. Without their support, this project must have not been possible. So once again, thank you so much teachers, and thank you for watching.
Hi, my name is Parul Sharma, student of CSC 6th A, and as you have seen our web application, we together built this web application to provide home services at doorsteps, and we not only just built this web application but also tested it on various users, some faculty and some students from our college only, and the customers were very happy and satisfied by the services we provided, and the reviews were very good. So let's have a look at the reviews first.
Hi, I am Kovid Sharma, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department and Dean Placements, Baba Farid College of Engineering and Technology, Bathinda. Few days back, I came across with some issue in my laptop because nowadays we are working online due to the ongoing pandemic COVID-19 scenario. So I inquired from many places, and even I asked my colleagues that who can help me out in solving my problem. So then someone from my colleagues informed me that our students was working on the project web application, that is Shelter Check. So which can help you. So I opened that application and found that there are a number of online services available like AC repair, washing machine repair, LED repair, electrician services, car washing, all are available at our doorsteps. So I raised my query online, and by evening, one professional was there to solve my issue. So even the payment was made by me online on that portal. The quick response and working of the web application was really a wonderful experience. Not only because of the reason that this is a new concept during these COVID times, but also because this was designed and prepared by our students. And it is also very user friendly. So I wish all the best to our students for their bright future ahead. Thanks a lot.
Hello everyone, my name is Rushil Gupta and I am student of Baba Frid Group of Institutes and I am studying in second semester. Due to lockdown, I am unable to find the technician for my AC service. So I get to know about this amazing site by my friend Parul and Divanshu, through which I am able to find the technician in no time. I just open the site, register myself and I book the AC service, and next day 2 agents reached my home and repaired my AC in no time. The overall service was very good and the site was very user friendly. I loved this site.